Here's how to confirm receipt on PayPal. First, log into your PayPal account using your email address and password. Once you're signed in, go to your activity section at the top. Next, find the transaction that is waiting for confirmation and click on it to open the transaction details. On the transaction details page, scroll down until you see the available actions. If the payment is eligible, you'll see a Confirm Receipt button. Simply click Confirm Receipt to let PayPal know that you've received the item or service. Once you confirm receipt, the payment process will continue according to PayPal's policies. If you don't see the Confirm Receipt button, don't worry. This usually means one of the following. You're the sender of the payment rather than the recipient. The transaction type doesn't require a receipt confirmation. The payment has already been completed or confirmed. The transaction isn't eligible for manual receipt confirmation. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.